Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is HICH and today I'm going to sharing one earning money apps tips. The name of application is HICH. Go to Play Store, then after search HICH, then after download, install it and log in with your Gmail. Okay. From this app you can make a poll. Okay, it's one of the social polling app. You can vote others, okay, or you can create your own polls like this. You can vote others, and when you vote others, then you can get coins. From the coins you can earn money. Okay, I'm just burning it. Okay, now choose poll format. You can poll images like this: image poll, video poll, text poll. Okay, in the home button you can find out coins and prestige you have earned, and you can earn money with share and referrals also. Okay, I will give you a link in the descriptions. From that, use my code and you can earn 1000 coins when you log in with these referral codes. Okay, you have to earn prestige. Okay, how to earn prestige? To earn prestige you have to invest your coins which you have earned. You have to play games, quiz, and you have to vote others. Okay, like this you can earn the prestige. Prestige is important to get the more access in this app. You can get access like commenting, messaging, and after withdrawing for the withdrawal money. Okay, and this is my referral code I'm going to share on descriptions. Just get it, download it, and after keep my code there, and you can get 1000 coins, and likewise you can invest that coins and you can earn prestige. Okay, these are the prestige, how to earn prestige. Okay, and you can earn how to earn coins. Okay, the coins you can earn is mostly the boarding status, daily tax and streak. Okay, someone who gives you like this, you can earn their coins too. Okay, thanks for watching. If